Hello, I'm Taylor Baldwin. There are supplements for just about anything these days, and it's a multi-billion-dollar industry. Some promise to give you better hair and skin, while others promise to boost your immune system. But research suggests some supplements might actually do you more harm than good, especially when it comes to your eyes. Dr. Sandy Feldman is here to talk about the dangerous effects of supplement use and eye health. Thank you, Dr. Feldman, for coming.
It's a pleasure to be here.
Okay, so I am the type of person that has a supplement addiction. I spend a lot of money taking supplements every day. Now to find out that I could be actually doing, more harm than good when it comes to my eyes, and I don't have the greatest of eyes. Tell us what it is. What are the supplements that we need to watch out for?
Well, what you want to watch out for are the claims that the supplements make. First of all, where you buy them. If you go to the internet and you see fantastic savings on supplements, you don't even know what you're getting because they may be a lot of fillers. They may not even contain what you think you're taking. And that's really the danger of taking supplements, is that the supplements are not regulated by the FDA as a medicine. They're regulated as a food product.
So is there a supplement in particular that has caused negative or adverse effects on eye health?
Well, let's talk about, a supplement such as cannabis. It's marketed and it's talked about as being good for glaucoma. The problem with it is that it only decreases the intraocular pressure in the eye for short term. And so you couldn't even take enough to actually cause the beneficial lowering pressure effect that you need if you have glaucoma. So if you're taking that and you think you're doing yourself good, you may not, because your pressure in your eye might be high, which then can damage the nerve of the eye.
I feel like they're using cannabis for medicinal purposes a lot these days. It seems to be all the craze.
It sure is.
But it's not the fix for,
For glaucoma,
no,
there's a lot of other better medicines out there.
So is there any other supplements that we should be aware of?
Well, there are some supplements that actually we prescribe.
Okay.
High quality omega-3s can be given for dry eyes.
So this is actually a good supplement now.
Exactly.
So forget the cannabis, go through the omega-3s.
Right. You want to talk to your doctor. Does this supplement do good? Would it do good for me with my condition? As an example, there's something called Eye Bright, which has been available in Europe for many years. It's a folk remedy to kind of brighten your eyes. And it actually can help some of the redness if you're suffering from a conjunctival disease, kind of where your eyes get red and you've got a bad allergy. But it's a specific type of one.
Is Bright Eye a supplement or is it a drop?
It's an eye drop.
It's an eye drop. It's all natural type of remedies. Okay.
Exactly.
And what's
so
it do?
A lot of the supplements for the eyes, some of them are topical, some are, oral that are taken.
Does it constrict the eye, the blood vessels in the eye?
The blood vessels a little bit. It actually reduces a little bit of the inflammation. There is some research that talks about bilberry as being good for night vision. Now, there's also research that says it has no beneficial effect in people who have normal eyes. But there is some animal data and some other suggestive data using higher concentrations that it might be beneficial for night vision in people who have impaired night vision.
If you do want to take the supplements like the bilberry, right, and omega-3s, where's a good choice? Like a well-known health food store, perhaps?
I probably would recommend that. I also would recommend going to where you can actually buy these things. I consider following, for myself and my patients, following the advice of Hippocrates, which is looking to food to be my medicine and medicine to be my food. So if there was one thing for our eyes that I think is really important that I would say to do, that's to eat a lot of green leafy vegetables. They contain a lot of antioxidants that might be beneficial in preventing worsening in some of the aging disease. Another good side effect is it helps our skin and aging in a lot of other parts of our body as well.
Thank you so much, Dr. Feldman. Great tips as always. All right, if you want more information on eye care, you can reach out to Dr. Feldman by logging on to her website at clearvieweyes.com.